Listen guys, this new niche is gonna be the next gold mine. No one has done this before. While every other YouTubers talk about history shorts and war stories, I found out about this new niche that no one has ever done, and this niche is going to be really interesting. If you want to go viral within several days, do this niche as soon as you can. It's because this niche is not competitive yet, and those who start with this niche first will go insanely viral. The niche I'm about to show you today is called the pirate story niche. I haven't seen that anyone is doing this niche. Honestly, we can make insanely interesting stories related to this niche. So, without talking bullshit, let's jump straight into the process. I'm gonna show you a step-by-step process to make viral videos for this niche. I'm gonna show you two methods. Number one, automation AI method. Number two, manual video creation method. You can choose any method that you prefer. First, let's start with the automation AI method. So the AI tool that I'm going to use today is called Shorts.ai. It's an AI video generator that creates 100% unique videos. So let's start with the process. Before that, I'm gonna use ChatGPT to generate some video ideas for this niche. For that, I'm gonna use this specific prompt. You can use this same prompt to generate different video topic ideas. Let's select this topic and create a video for it. After you sign up for the Shorts AI, you will come to this page. Now you need to create a video series. For that, click this Create button. Now you can connect your YouTube channel or TikTok page to this, or you can just add your email to this as the file destination. I'm gonna select the email option. This AI tool has different video categories, such as scary stories, random stories, and motivational stories. But in this case, we are going to select this custom topic option and enter one of the topics that we generated. Once you enter the topic of your video, you can just create a prompt like this to get better results. Then, select a suitable AI voice to narrate the story from these voices. After that, you need to select the language for this video. They have more than 20 languages with different accents. I'm gonna select US English as the language. Then make sure to enable this option to add the background music as well. Since these videos are going to be short videos, make sure to select 30 to 60 seconds as the duration time. After all these steps are done, click this Create Series option. It will take several minutes to complete this video. Now let's see the video.
Ahoy, mateys. Have you ever wondered about the truth behind the legendary Davy Jones? Our journey begins in the murky depths of maritime folklore. Davy Jones, the feared sea captain, is not just a figment of fiction. His character is inspired by centuries-old seafaring tales. Legend has it that Davy Jones was a real sailor who fell into the sea and was claimed by the ocean depths. His spirit, unable to find rest, was said to haunt the seas, capturing the souls of drowned sailors. This tale was shared among seamen as a warning, creating a sense of dread around the name Davy Jones. Over time, these stories evolved, and Davy Jones became the embodiment of the ocean's wrath, a symbol of the unknown dangers lurking beneath the waves.
This is really good. Now, if you use this AI tool, it has the ability to automatically upload videos to your channel daily. They have this Pro plan, which is $39, and it will upload one video a day for 30 days. You don't even need to do it manually. This AI will do it automatically once you connect your channel to this. So, guys, it's up to you to use this AI tool for this niche. However, I have talked to them and got a 20% discount for my audience, so use the link in the description. Now, let me show you the manual method to create videos for this niche. If you use this manual method instead of using the automation AI method, you will have to sacrifice some of your time for this process. Because in this method, we are doing everything manually, starting with script writing, image and video generation, and video editing. Since we have already created the list of video ideas, let's start with creating a video script for one of these topics. When it comes to manually creating a video script, you need to be careful because this script should not sound like an AI-generated script. So, I have created this specific video generating prompt for that. All you need to do is copy this prompt and only change the topic of your video. Then it will help you to make a unique and simple script for your videos. So, I'm gonna select this topic from the video list that we previously generated, and let's generate the script using ChatGPT. I have read this script and it's perfect. Now copy this script to a Word document. And let's move on to the next step, which is creating the voiceovers. For that process, I'm going to use 11 Labs. You need to pay for this, but however they provide free credits as well. You can make like 10 videos with these free credits. Once you go to this, you need to select a suitable voice for your videos. 11 Labs has hundreds of AI-generated voices. Make sure to select a good voice that is suitable to narrate a fantasy story in an interesting way to your audience. So, check for the best AI voice and generate voiceovers for your video script. And don't copy the whole script at once. Make sure to copy it part by part and generate voiceovers. After you are done with that process, the next step is to make suitable images and videos for this script. I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate an image prompt for this video, and then I will use Leonardo AI to generate images for those prompts. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate image prompts like this, create image-generating prompts to represent the above story, and make sure these prompts match the story in the correct order. These images should represent the story correctly. As you can see here, we have the prompts for the images to represent this story. Now, let's go to Leonardo AI and generate suitable images. After you go to Leonardo AI, you need to select a suitable image generating model. I'm going to go with this one, which is Photo Real 2. Make sure to select one image from this side menu and select this size. We need horizontal image size because these images are for short videos. Now, all you need to do is copy the image prompt we generate and paste it here. Just like this, create images for all the prompts to cover the whole story. Now, let me show you a cool thing. I'm going to add motions and animate these images with Leonardo AI. Go to this main menu and select this motion option, and then select this image option and choose the image that you want to animate. After you select the image, make sure to increase this motion strength, then click this generate option, and it will convert this image into an animated clip. It will take several minutes to animate those images, and after that, download them. Then, we need to find suitable background music. I would recommend you guys use the YouTube library for that. This is really easy. You don't need to worry about copyright issues or giving credit to the creator, and all the soundtracks are free. After that, we need to edit the final output. You can use any video editor that you are familiar with. I'm going to use CapCut for this process. It's a free and beginner-friendly video editor that you can use to edit your videos. Once you download the CapCut, open it and start a new project. Make sure to click this Modify button and select 9:16 ratio. Then, click this Import button and import all the materials we downloaded. After that, you need to drag the voice over to the timeline like this. If there are long, unnecessary silent parts in these voiceovers, make sure to remove those. Once you are done with that process, add the videos that we download to the timeline. Try to match the videos with voiceovers. One of the ways to make this video more attractive is to add transitions in between clips. So, go to Transition from this top menu and let's add some transitions. But make sure to add a smooth transition in between all the clips. Don't add fancy transitions. It's not suitable for this niche. We need to add captions for this video. Go to Text from this top menu, select Auto Captions, and click this Generate button. Within several seconds, this will automatically generate the captions for your video. We can't use these boring captions like this. We must edit these to make this video to next level. Let's bring all the captions to the middle of the video. Let's make all the letters capital, and we need to add an elegant font for this. I think this font would be suitable for this. Then, if you go to these effects, there are hundreds of effects here. You can add a suitable effect from these. Instead of using steady caption, I think it would be better if we add some animations to those. Now, select all the captions and go to Animations, and select this caption option. You can add a good caption animation from here. Then all you need to do is add the background music to the timeline and adjust its volume to match the voiceover. Don't make the sound of background music higher. If you do that, no one will watch your videos. You should give priority to the voiceovers. After that, the video is completed.
Imagine staring into the dark abyss of the ocean, where the only sound is the creaking of wood and the faint flapping of tattered sails. Suddenly, a monstrous figure emerges from the mist, his eyes blazing, a twisted mass of smoke and flame swirling around his head. This was no ordinary pirate. This was Blackbeard.
So, just like this, you can make videos for this niche with these two methods. You can either choose the automation method or the manual method. It's completely up to you guys. With that, this video has come to an end. I will see you guys in the next video.